Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your Motorola Moto E6i. So first of all, we have to open the phone dialer, and then we have to move for the contacts. Then we can create the new one, for example. So let's quickly do this, click save, and then from the list you have to pick the contact that you want to switch the ringtone. So you have to click on these three dots in the right upper corner and then tap to set the ringtone. Right now we can find list of few default ringtones, but you can also add your own by tapping to add the ringtone. You will be moved to the files, and when you click on these three lines in the left upper corner, you can go for the recent or for example for the downloads. And here you can basically pick any file that you want to. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.